Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Baby, I took it to them. Anyway, we're gonna be doing Edward Scissorhands. Yes. I've been wanting to do him for some days now, you know? And I'm telling you, I'm just into this stuff now. Like, I don't know, it's fun. So basically, the hair, don't worry about that until later. I don't have the actual claws, you feel me? So we're gonna be improvising and using aluminum foil, right? So yeah. I could make it with like Dollar Tree stuff, but nobody's doing all that. Like, it was never that deep. But I'm just doing this because I've been into this makeup stuff lately because of Halloween. But really, I don't really celebrate Halloween no more. I've been stopped. So I don't know. Yeah. And if you hear Phineas and Ferb in the back, just know. So I'm gonna just play music and things like that. So we're gonna use a glue stick first. And also the outfit, I don't even know what I'm gonna like wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for the outfit because I don't have that either. I mean, I could draw it like on my neck and my shoulders. But again, who wants to do that? Crazy. Like if you're doing lip gloss, yeah. You just want to do that. And then brush it again. Brush that again. You want it flat to the skin, you know? Flat. Flat like that. You guys see that? So now I'm gonna be using concealer to do the makeup look because I was gonna use paint, but nah. So we have these two. One is darker than the other, obviously, but I think I'm gonna go for the lighter one. I actually just bought this because you know he's a little pale. He's a little pale in the scene, so I need to stop being fat. Right, let's hurry up. I don't got all day. Concealer. As for the scars, I'm just gonna be using like makeup for today because I ordered the scar glue liquid thing. I'm gonna show you a picture. I ordered that and it still didn't come, so I think it's coming on the 2nd. So now I gotta wait. I really wanted it to come today though because I wanted to use it for this look. That would have been perfect. But like I said, we gotta improvise and use what we got. Conceal, conceal. Like she said in the movie. I shouldn't even be using all this because I think it's gonna spread good enough. Yeah, baby. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with a smaller blending brush and with a brown type.
You Casper, the friendly ghost. Oh, I know who you're doing. Edward Scissorhands.
How you know?
You saw him look like him. The Kwame missed me. The Kwame missed my baby. Yeah, there was a car that was just like how was outside.
Oh, baby. Basically, with this part, you just contouring your face like you regular do, like when you doing your makeup. All right. Now we're gonna do some little scars, you know. All right. So on the picture, he had one right here. One right here. I'm gonna fix it with white liner. Mm, here. We're gonna go into some white paint because I can't find my white eyeliner for some reason. I don't know why people's putting on purple lipstick. I'm gonna put on black like he has, and his is like a matte black. So I don't know how I'm feeling about that. But anyways, let's go into the white and matte it off. Cause his is like ashy. Nah, that's funny. I don't like it. I don't like it really. I don't know. I mean, I guess, you know, I guess the lips. I don't know. There's something wrong with them. There's something wrong with the lips. Yeah, this thing like that. I think I'm done with the makeup. With the face. Now I gotta do the hair. So with the hair, even though I have blonde in it, whatever. I seen some girl teasing her hair, so we're gonna do that because I don't have I don't have the wig, you know. So I should put some black to the front. And then hold up, because we gotta do the nails now. I'm gonna just leave my hair like this. We gotta do the nails now. What happened? That's my twin. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Like, I only did one hand because I don't want to waste aluminum for you, but y'all like my nails? Like, period. I gotta move my hair a little bit to the side. I gotta tease it a little more. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other look y'all want me to do or try. And yeah, if it's too hard, I'm still gonna try it. But you know, yeah, this is as close as I'm gonna get with Edward Scissorhands. I don't have the outfit, so yeah, but I'm gonna try to make the video, like the thumbnail and the intro, look like just nice, you know, just nice. But I'll see you guys in the next video.